years ago.
But
do
you
you
still
not
love
get
me.
my sense?
You still love me, right?
I do not love you.
You do.
I don't.
You do.
I do not love you. I feel affectionate for you, yes. But that's a whole other thing. Loving you, it's been, what, 3 years?
Are you sure you don't love me?
I don't.
Edna, if you're sure you don't love me,
Bro was literally
if
forcing
you're
the
sure
love
there
on
is
her.
not even a single drop of love left in your heart for me,
What does it mean by that?
Seriously? Are we seriously doing this, Fidel?
If you don't love me, slap me.
So
She's
you
gonna
want me to
bro.
slap you because...
yeah, prove to me that you don't love me.
What? Is it?